Do not waste water even if you are at a running stream. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. A white has no superiority over a black, nor a black has any superiority over a white except by piety and good actions. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When a thing disturbs the peace of your heart, give it up. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. You do not do evil to those who do evil to you, but you deal with them with forgiveness and kindness. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. He is not a true believer who eats his fill while his neighbor is hungry. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. However much the faith of a man increases, his regard for women increases. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. What has reached you was never meant to miss you, and what has missed you was never meant to reach you. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. When you see a person who has been given more than you in money and beauty, look to those who have been given less. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Speak good or remain silent. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Make things easy for people and not difficult. Give people good news and bring them joy, and do not turn them away. Remember your own faults when you want to mention of others. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Those who are patient in adversity and forgive wrongs are the doers of excellence. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Modesty brings nothing except good. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The most perfect man in his faith among the believers is the one whose behavior is most excellent, and the best of you are those who are the best to their wives. Happy is the man who avoids hardship, but how fine is the man who is afflicted and shows endurance. Do not wish to be like anyone except in two cases. The first is a person whom Allah has given wealth and he spends it righteously. The second is the one whom Allah has given wisdom, the Holy Quran, and he acts according to it and teaches it to others. Feed the hungry, visit the sick, set free captives. Prophet Muhammad. There will come a time when holding on to your deen will be like holding on to hot coals. Riches are not from an abundance of worldly goods, but from a contented mind. The strongest man is the one who, when he gets angry and his face reddens and his hackles rise, is able to defeat his anger.